Hey, I'm Abby and welcome to my channel. So, I don't know about you, but I have been seeing those Christmas, winter, holiday gnomes popping up everywhere. You know the ones I'm talking about. They have like this big nose, they have like a big beard, the pointy hat, and so I decided that I had to have a set. So, naturally, I decided to make them. But I decided to not use anyone else's pattern, which I guess is like crafting on hard mode, but it kind of worked out. So you get to see in this video kind of my mental process as I have a little bit of trial and error and figure out what works, what doesn't work for the first one, and then when I go into making the second one, I kind of change things up a little bit. So you'll see that as I go about this. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Do leave a comment if you want to see more of this type of video, if you want to see more in-depth step-by-step tutorials. Just let me know what you want to see. So, without further ado, awkward change into the crafting.
Snowflakes falling down towards the earth this morning. Wow, I can't believe my eyes, it's like a Christmas card. I hope it will set, I haven't had a real white Christmas yet. I've got my fingers crossed, I've never wished this hard. Snowflakes falling down to the ground beneath my feet. Pieces of frozen cloud are floating to the earth to meet. Snowflakes falling down, and I'm dazzled by the sight. Soon everything will be all white. Wrap my scarf up tight, tight against the wind and laugh despite the shivering, and off into the world I go. It's just so much fun to try and catch a snowflake on your tongue. It's easy when the air is thick with swirls of snow. Snowflakes falling down ground beneath my feet. Pieces of frozen cloud are floating to the earth to meet. Snowflakes are falling down, and I'm dazzled by the sight. Soon everything will be all white. Snowflakes are falling down to the ground beneath my feet. Pieces of frozen cloud are floating to the earth to meet. Snowflakes are falling down, and I'm dazzled by the sight. Soon everything will be all white. Snowflakes falling down to the ground beneath my feet. Pieces of frozen cloud are floating to the earth to meet. Snowflakes falling down, and I'm dazzled by the sight. Soon everything will be all white. Snowflakes falling down to the ground beneath my feet. Pieces of frozen cloud are floating to the earth to meet. Snowflakes falling down, and I'm dazzled by the sight. Soon everything will be all white. Snowflakes falling down to the ground beneath my feet. Pieces of frozen cloud are floating to the earth to meet. Snowflakes falling down, and I'm dazzled by the sight. Soon everything will be all white.